United Arab Emirates, the Arab world's second largest economy, is growing really fast. A great tourist attraction that brings millions of visitors every year. There is always a demand for skilled workers, and you could have a chance. But what are the visa rules, and how should you begin? Watch this video till the end to learn all about it. Hey everyone, I'm Behnan from the Visa Library. This channel gives visa information and the latest news and updates. Stay till the end to learn how you can get a UAE work visa. Before we get to it, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell and download the free cheat sheet my team has prepared for a work visa. It helps you like a roadmap along the way. Now let's begin. Every foreign national who wants to work in UAE needs a work visa and work permit. The first step is to find a job offer in the country. You must look for a position with an Emirate employer or company. Some websites advertise such job positions. Indeed, LinkedIn, and Gulf Talent are some of these websites. You can apply to them and try your chance. Visit the Visa Library article from the link in the description to get familiar with more websites. Also, you can move to UAE as a tourist and look for a job position in person. If you're wondering about visa policies, you can watch the Visa Library video. It's a complete guide about the UAE tourist visa, visa-waived countries, and the visa on arrival. It's a must to find an employer. He or she must receive approval from the government, so you as the employee can enter the country. The company in the UAE must be registered, valid, and mustn't have any violations. The work you will do must be in line with the nature of company hiring you. You must sign an employment contract when you get the job offer from the Emirate employer. Both the employer and employee must sign the employment contract. It must clarify the employment details and explain everything: type of job, location, salary, working hours, and everything else. Let me ask you this: how to ensure the offered job is real? It might be a fraud or a scam. How to know? Real employers have to offer you a letter issued by MOHRE, Ministry of Human Resources and Emiratization. Check if the letter is in its heading or not. You can also check the legal status of your company in the National Economic Register online. The MOHRE issues work permits. Your employer applies for a work permit to them. The employer must submit a list of supporting documents to the Ministry of Human Resources. Here is a list of them: your original passport and a copy of your passport, a passport-size photo of yourself. It must meet these standards. Copy of your academic qualifications. Your qualifications need verification from the UAE embassy or consulate in your home country and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of your country verification. Supporting documents from the company hiring you, such as the commercial license of the company or the company card. If the UAE authorities need further documents, the employer informs you to submit all of them. Once you get the work permit, you can move to the UAE. It works like an entrance visa and permits you to enter the country. After you enter the country, you must complete a medical checkup at a medical clinic or government hospital. The government doesn't accept medical checkups or certificates from other countries. The test checks for contagious diseases and requires blood test and a chest x-ray. Once you pass the medical check, you'll receive a health certificate to include in your application. Your employer has to apply for a residence visa for you from the General Directorate of Residency and Foreigners Affairs, JDRFA, of the Emirate where you are employed. A list of supporting documents for this stage is needed. Here is the list: a valid passport and a photocopy, passport photo, an Emirate ID card, an entry permit from the Ministry of Labor, the results of a medical test, a copy of company card from the employer, a copy of the company's commercial license. Once your application is approved, the JDRFA will affix an employment visa on your passport. A resident visa is necessary to work in the UAE and get other services like a driving license, registering for a car, opening a bank account, applying for a mobile phone plan. Temporary residency permits are usually valid for 1 to 3 years, but you can extend them for longer if you have employment and meet the eligibility principles. Once you have a residency visa, you can apply for a visa for your immediate family members. Remember one point: you must apply for your residency visa while your entry permit is valid. Now you will receive an Emirate ID valid for the same duration of your stay. The ID contains your name, address, date of birth, picture, fingerprints. This card is the official form of identification for your stay in the UAE. You will also receive a labor card which informs the authorities you have the authorization to work in the UAE. Your residence visa is valid for the duration of your employment contract. 1, 2, or 3 years. After you complete the procedure and receive a residence visa, you can apply to bring your family to UAE if you want. Male employees in the UAE can sponsor immediate family members. It includes a wife and children, but they must meet these requirements: receiving the least required salary, being in a profession that allows them to sponsor family members, provide a marriage certificate translated into Arabic, the official language of the country, a sponsored daughter must be unmarried, a sponsored son must be 18 or younger. Older sons must be studying in the UAE or abroad to be eligible. Female employees are subject to more regulations that vary by jurisdiction. Single mothers can sponsor their children. If the woman is married, she cannot sponsor her children if the father meets the necessary requirements. Women may have to be employed in certain professions to have a certain salary to be able to sponsor family members. You'll need these supporting documents to bring your family to the UAE. A completed online application form, you will find it on the immigration official's website, passport photo for each family member, copies of the passport for each family member, copy of the worker's employment contract or job offer, salary certification, translated marriage certificate if the sponsor is a spouse, health certificate for each family member, registered tenancy contract, the most recent utility bill. There is a fee for each family member's application that you must pay as well. Alright then, this was all you must know about UAE work visa. Do you have questions? Write them down in the comment section. The Visa Library team will answer them. If you want us to make a video about one of UAE visa or a related topic, just tell us in the comment section. We'll get what you want. Before you leave, like the video, hit the bell, and don't forget to download the free PDF file for UAE work visa. You should also follow us on Instagram and Facebook to catch up with the latest news on work visas. Until the next video, thank you all for watching.